Once upon a time, there was a humble cow named Daisy who lived on a small farm surrounded by green fields and quiet hills. She was not the strongest or the fastest animal, but she was kind, patient, and always willing to help others. Every day, she watched the other animals compete and boast about their abilities, especially the proud horses and noisy geese. Sometimes they laughed at Daisy for being slow and quiet, but she never responded with anger. Instead, she continued her work and treated everyone with gentle respect. One day, dark clouds gathered and a powerful storm came, bringing loud thunder and heavy rain. The animals became frightened and confused, running in different directions without thinking. The horses ran wildly, and the chickens hid in panic, unable to find shelter. Daisy stayed calm and carefully observed what needed to be done. She gently guided the smaller animals into the barn, step by step, calming them with her steady presence. Because of her calmness, many animals were kept safe from danger. After the storm passed, the farmer noticed how Daisy had helped everyone and prized her for her quiet bravery. The other animals realized that strength is not always about speed and power, but about courage and wisdom. They began to respect Daisy for her kindness and started to listen to her more often. From that day on, Daisy was no longer overlooked, but seen as a true leader on the farm. True strength lies in calmness, kindness, and caring for others. Please subscribe! Crianças you will find in the description.